My time at Wenatchee High School has been a hands-on adventure. During my freshman year, I took a forestry class which introduced me to the FFA Ag Mechanics program. After school, I was learning the basics of welding without even stepping foot into a traditional shop class. The decision to take welding classes was driven by my desire to spend more time doing what I love. As I explored various aspects of shop class, from engine work to welding, I began to appreciate the blend of independent and collaborative work, which made learning interesting and fun. It wasn't just about learning to weld, it was about exploring my passion for working with my hands and translating it into tangible skills. Skills that even landed me a job working on trailers last summer. The knowledge and skills I've gained through all these classes and experiences have shaped my readiness for the future. They've shown me the importance of hands-on work and opened my eyes to the joys of creating and fixing things. As I move forward, I'm eager to see where these skills take me.